Hello and welcome to SPSS 1 from part S7. So now we're ready to import into SPSS. So from the SPSS menu, I've tried to put it in shorthand like this. This means the file and then you import data pops up and then Excel. So that means on here, I need to show you the command. So here you go File and then Import Data and then Excel. That's what that means. And it should pop up. It takes a bit of a delay. And also it pops up on a different screen, but that should pop up somewhere on your screens. And you have to work out, you have to remember where you put the spreadsheet. So we're using this first version here, the XLS one. So navigate to that and you press open. Okay. And in this window here, it shows you roughly what it's going to look like. And you can see at the moment, it looks sort of okay, but this thing's a bit strange here, and there's a gap across the top row. And that's because, if you read the instructions, I've not selected the SPSS worksheet. So you have to make sure that you select the SPSS worksheet, because that's one we just arrange the data more neatly. Also, it's a good idea to tick all these, shown there. So you hit the rows and columns, okay. And that should be it, and then you just press OK. It should work. Okay, so then you find that often, let's see if it doesn't always happen, but often, you get this window coming up. Okay, for a start, it's opened it in a different window. You get this coming up, which really confuses people. This is what's called SPSS syntax, which you'll meet this later. It's all the codes that SPSS is using to do the commands, but I mean, who wants to know that? So you can ignore that. So let's close that window for now. The output window is really great, because that's where your results can appear, but you don't really need to know all that other stuff. This thing here, you could just close that, because that's got that other data set. Don't want to save that. And here's the one that's now popped up and appeared with the data in it. You can see it looks roughly right. I can change widths like this so I can see that a bit more clearly. So the data looks pretty much the same as it does at the top, at the start, the opening screenshot. Go back and check. I could show you how you do this. If it's annoying that that window keeps popping up all the time, I generally disable that by going into here and finding the options in SPSS. Again, everything SPSS does pops up on the screen that I'm not recording, but there's the options. There's a myriad different options, and it's the viewer one. Viewer, it's there, okay. So just untick that thing, and then from then on, it stops doing that thing of always. It does it one last time, it pops up this and tells you, okay, I'm no longer going to do it. And then hopefully it will only show you the output window later when you actually have some output, which is generally what you expect. Okay, rant over, and I think video over. So in the next part we'll look at how we can start tidying up this data and getting it ready for analysis. So for now, thanks for watching.